Trust. Trust is like the foundation of a house. When it's strong, relationship becomes strong. When it's weak, everything starts to shake. Trust means believing that someone will do what they say and stand by you when needed. It is not built in a day. It grows slowly through honesty, consistency, and small actions. Think about it. When a friend keeps their promises, you trust them more. When someone listens without judging, trust grows. But once trust is broken, it can take time and effort to rebuild. Trust is important not only in our relationships but also in families, workplaces, and friendships. It helps us feel safe, respected, and valued. So, if you want people to trust you, be honest, keep your words, and treat others with kindness. Remember, trust is earned in a drops and lost in a buckets. Trust is not about perfection, it's about being reliable when it matters most.